Beauty of natural farming. See the growth of these lady fingers. Awesome growth. Without putting any fertilizer, any pesticide. See how big this lady finger is. Wow. No pesticide, no chemical fertilizer, just sowing the seed and harvesting the yield. That's it. Simple. No technique, no technology, nothing. So do nothing. However, it is not 100% true. I sometimes take out these grasses, but yeah, no investment you can say, or no input from outside the farm. All these grasses that you are seeing, it is basically from my own farm, and because as you all know, I have a lot of grasses, so I have just mulched the whole trenches that I have built, and that's it, nothing else. Just trench and building, and then I have just put the seeds, and you can see how good is the crop. Very good, very good development. I'm surprised to see that, such a big plant, such a big uh, ladyfinger plant, so strong. We had 4 corn today.